Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft with the second tutorial. In this particular tutorial, we are going to show you how to install the studio. So if you are new to this particular channel, please consider subscribing and for some awesome videos. So in the last tutorial, I have shown you how to download it, and in this particular video, we are going to install it. So I highly recommend keeping this default path setup, guys, because tomorrow you might be facing an issue due to the path, etc. So I'm not going to change any path over here. I'm just going to just do the next and install it. And in the meantime, let's run the JDK also. So also one fine tip, guys, if you are running this on a laptop, I recommend getting the solid state drive, because what that will do is boost the performance slightly, especially the read and write speed. So if you are having, I think, something like 1 TB hard disk, I recommend at least having 256 SSD. Maybe hot swapping it and taking, sorry, not hot swapping, just swapping the SSD and taking a backup. So in the meantime, while this is, getting run, let's, set up the GDK. Okay. So it is going to ask you do not import and other things. So just say do not import any of the settings, because we don't have any previous setup. Okay. So Java is also installed. Let's see what is running over here. Okay, so now it is going to download some XYZ list, compatible list. Okay, now you are going to ask whether you want to share or collect the usage data for Studio. I highly recommend say don't send, because privacy is important, guys, and most of these particular programs might be taking away our data. So I don't want it to give it to Google, I mean statistics and all. Since we are still into training and basics of it, and choose the type of setup you want to set up the studio, where it customize installation settings and all. Let's select the standard one, because we don't want to go into it in detail. So maybe after setting up you all can change it. So I'm selecting as the standard one. Okay, now personally, if you can see, I have everything in dark mode, guys. So I'll be using this Dracula. Okay, so I like the darker themes, because what happens is, especially when you are working at night, this is much more better for your eyes. Okay, so it is going to ask you that it is going to download XYZ. Yeah, so SDK tools and all. So you need a lot much more, guys, you know in terms of download and all. Okay, so this is what it is, and it will be varying based on when you are watching this particular video. So I'm recording this particular video on the 10th of January 2021. So maybe in the future you'll be have to spend more data, or I mean download more data for this, and let's say download. So what will happen is this is going to download all the packages, etc. Let's see, show details. So presently my broadband is not that fast, guys, so it will going to take a lot of time. So I'll be updating this in maybe in my next video. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video, and also make sure that you are subscribed for the future videos. So these are kind of a quick thing. I don't want to hurry up with direct router development. I want you to understand why each and everything is being installed, and why it is required and stuff like that. Like for example, this JDK and all, it might work without it and all. So sometimes, because you must have been having the older version and all, but since I assume that most of y'all will be beginner, And there is nothing wrong about being a beginner. Even I was a beginner at a time, and now it's been almost like 8 years I'm developing Android apps. So with this particular tutorial, guys, I just want you all to learn even the basics. If your foundation is better, then definitely you'll be able to cope up with it. So if you're in college, and or if you're a active developer who is looking for a profession in Android app and development and all, this tutorial is really going to help you all. Also share it with your friends, family, colleagues, whoever is going to start this Android app development. Also, you all can even download this particular video, guys. There are much more better way, of downloading this particular video. So again, thanks guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.